How to make no-bake cheesecake. These are the ingredients. Break or food process the biscuits. Pinch of salt, cardamom, and cinnamon powder. And then sugar, melted butter. Bind all the ingredients together to make a crumbly mix. Grease or line a tin with parchment paper. Now add the crumbly base. Use a spoon to press it down and level it. Now put it in the freezer for 2 hours. In a large bowl, add cream cheese, then followed by lemon juice and sour cream. Then whisk gently. Next, we add icing sugar gradually and whisk. Add the rest of the icing sugar, then continue to whisk until smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, add double cream and whisk until it's fluffy and thick. Now add the whipped cream into the cheese cream and gently bind together using a spatula. Meanwhile, to make the topping for my cheesecake, I added strawberries, I added sugar, and then bring to a boil. Then I simmer it for 5 minutes. Mash or blend and leave to simmer for another 5 minutes until it looks like a jam texture. After 2 hours, add the cream on top of the crust and smooth it gently using a spatula. Add your topping and then decorate it as desired, and then put it in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight. The moment of truth. Let's check it out. Wow. Enjoy. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.